Hello, this is a course on the Rust programming language, more or less for beginners, although I do assume that you basically know what a function is and what variables are in some programming language. In the next video we're going to take a look at creating a Hello World program with Rust, and along the way if there are any videos you want me to make, anything you think I've missed out, then feel free to let me know. Or equally, if you think there's something I've got wrong, then drop me a comment. Rust is a highly efficient compiled programming language. In terms of efficiency, it matches the gold standard C. But Rust also stops you making a lot of the mistakes that you could easily make in C or C++, especially with regard to handling memory. The downside of Rust's approach is that Rust is in some ways more complicated than C, and in some ways I would say even more complicated than C++. But it's not that bad and you totally can learn it. And pretty soon you can be writing efficient, fast Rust programs. Installing Rust is pretty straightforward. If you just search for install Rust or something like that, you'll find a suitable page quite easily. You basically have to just run whatever installation procedure they tell you to run. And then the only other slightly complicated thing, which you find with most programming languages, is that you've got to make sure the Rust tools are in your path environment variable. So you want to get to a place where you can run cargo on a terminal. And in this course I'm going to be using the free Visual Studio Code cross-platform editor, and that has a built-in terminal, so I'm probably going to be using that. But you can use whatever you like. Okay, so join me in the next video where we'll take a look at creating a Hello World Rust program. If you enjoy my teaching style, I also have courses on C for beginners and Advanced C++. The links are in the description. You can get 10% off using the coupon code RUST.